Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can get a refund on Amazon without returning your item. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Amazon.com and log in to your Amazon account. Make sure that it is on Amazon US. Now, once you're inside the main screen, hover your mouse around Return and Orders. So, click there. Then, from here, you should have access or you should see all the orders that you did either for the past 3 months or for the entire year in 2025. Now, what are you gonna do from here? First, you would go to the item that you want refunded and click on Problem with Order. Now, you are gonna choose a reason, like the item is either defective or it does not work, or you received the wrong item. And then, once you choose one of those options, click on Refund as your preferred solution, and then submit your request. Now, here's the trick. Sometimes, Amazon will automatically say you can keep the item, no need to return it. In other cases, a customer service reply may confirm this for you. Now, if you do not see this option, you can chat with Amazon support. Simply go to the top right corner on your account, right here, and then go to account. And then, we can go right here on customer service. Now, we're going to simply explain politely that the product arrived damaged, unusable, or incorrect. Be honest and clear. Amazon reps often approve refunds without returns for small or unsellable items, especially if it costs more to ship back than to just let you keep it. Important note, don't abuse this method. Amazon tracks account behavior, and repeated refund requests without returns can lead to account flags or even suspensions. Use this only when it's a genuine issue. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!